Just thought it'd be really cool to share some of our adventure trip we're on. Jay and I, we are out on a holiday and we just ran across so many neat things. So this is in BC in Fernie, but check out the old iron. I don't want to intrude very much, but that is pretty cool. I'm gonna keep recording more for you. Look what else we found here. It is a 1956 Victoria, and it is an original engine, original transmission in this car. Super sweet.
You want an inside picture of it?
Sure. And he lives in Fernie, and he said he may consider selling. So if you're interested, it is in Fernie. You can reach out. Just driving by, seeing this in the backyard. I have no idea what it even is. Let me know in the comments if you do. This definitely deserves a walk around. 68 Mustang Fastback. Paint looks very old on it. This thing is cool. Very cool. I have a soft spot for old Jeeps. Having used to own a 75 CJ5. Someone's made some mods to this one. Looks pretty rough, but it's cool. I was looking at it and Jay said, oh, but check that out. Look at that. A double-decker bus. That's pretty rare to see. Just for a size idea. This is pretty cool. This is sitting right at Fernie on the main road at Toll Rentals. Big old military truck. Don't know exactly what it is. Don't know what's in it. But pretty neat. My younger brother, actually, my little big brother as I call him, he owns a military vehicle too. One day we'll have to get a recording of that thing. It is so cool, and it's got a Cummins in it. And you gotta love a cool punch bug, especially one with a big tach. Oh, this is pretty sweet. I would drive it. How about you? Gotta love those big Cooper tires, white walls, those are awesome. Pretty sweet. Needs someone to rescue it, I think. Unfortunately, it's been a rainy holiday, but you see some pretty cool stuff like this. is the highway up there. And that car has been in the ditch ever since I can remember being around here. This is close to Invermere. Anyway, pretty crazy. Double-decker bus, not as rare as I thought. Maybe you can stay at the Piccadilly, eh? We are at the end of this video, not quite the end of our trip. We still have a few more miles to put on. But if you have ever driven through Jaffrey, you see the cars parked on the side of the highway. It's an excellent place to stop and eat. But the thing that I never realized before was these cars are for sale. So the business is for sale, the cars are for sale. So I think that's pretty new. Anyways, we have a Torino GT, which is a really cool car for all you Ford guys out there. This thing's really classy. Next to it, we have a Nova. Not sure what year it is. Really neat looking car. And beside it, of course, we have a 57 Chevy. Now, for anybody that knows anything about these cars, this thing is in really neat shape. Like, it looks good. It's reasonable. The paint is peeling on the hood a little bit and whatever, but for anyone wanting to start with something really cool, this is a cool car. And if you look, he wants $55,000 for this thing. It's a really good start, I would say. Looks beautiful inside. And this isn't it. If you look, we got the 64 Riviera. Like, those are so classy, long, classy, really cool front end on them. But I don't know if any of you have seen the two-door conversions in the Tri-5 cars, but man, would this thing be a great start. It's a beautiful four-door. The thing is nice anyways, but if someone's looking for a conversion, Dan from D&D, maybe this is something for you. But for $15,500, a car in this kind of shape would be an excellent start. It is really a cool car. Looks like it is a very good donor if someone's going to do that. If not, someone could easily drive this thing around every day. I don't know Ron, who owns this, but I don't know. Here's a plug for you. And all the cars that we passed by and so on, I don't know what everything was, and if we missed some details on stuff, please leave that in the comments. Really appreciate you watching. Really appreciate you taking the time to join us on our vacation, snooping around and checking this stuff out. So if you wouldn't mind, please like, share, and subscribe.